Hey, what's up guys, RC113 here, and I'm doing an unboxing video of my new Ferrari Enzo plastic model kit. I'm gonna unbox it for you right here. Get out of there. Here she goes. Alright, first off comes the main car itself. Then you got a big bag of most of the chassis and the layout in here. And then got your instruction manual. Put that right there. And then you got yourself a decal sheet right here. It's a pretty nice decal sheet. All the stickers you'll need. And yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. And I will be building this up and doing some, what do you call them? Some steps on how I'm doing, and like some series of me building. Not me building personally, how much I've got into it and stuff. Yeah, and yeah, that's my unboxing of the Revell plastic model kit for Ferrari Enzo. Please stay tuned, guys, and watch RC Lightning's channel, RC Boy 2000's channel, RC 13 RC Dude's channel, and also Ultimate RC's channel. Okay, see you guys. Subscribe.